You know, after 8 seasons, you think you've seen every way there is to make a potato. And then Dan here at Mean Sandwich makes the skins and ends. Now, I think I love them, and I think you're gonna love them, but let's see what the people here in Seattle think of them. Do you like potatoes?
Yes, love potatoes.
Any kind is good.
I mean, I love fries. Who doesn't like fries? French fries, tater tots, baked potatoes.
It's like whatever potatoes I can get, you know.
You could kind of put almost anything on a potato, can't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sour cream, bacon, cheese, everything.
Doesn't matter.
No, doesn't matter.
Bring it on.
It's good with everything.
Dan is making these things called skins and ends. It's just a fun, unique way to prepare the potato. Why don't you try it out? Tell me what you think.
Oh my God.
Wow,
That's really good. It's delicious. That's so good.
that's a good potato.
Salty, tasty.
It tastes different than any I've had before. Crusty on the outside and moist and delicious on the inside.
I like that the skin's on. It's a rustic cut and flavor.
I feel like I wouldn't have to eat like a whole bunch of them to be full and to be satisfied.
The sour cream and bacon kind of tops it off.
So how would you compare that to potatoes you'd get at other restaurants?
Better. Yeah, better for sure. It's like a better version of like your loaded nachos, you know? Like it's delicious.
It's like a real potato.
I mean, this is just incredible.
I would eat a whole thing of those.
10 out of 10 would recommend. I would eat buckets, honestly.